Hello students, so welcome back again to our interesting section of so many kinds of animals. Now I hope you remember what we have done last time. Yes, we have learned about animals on land, animals in water, amphibians, insects and birds. I hope all have also practiced drawing the animals in the different categories in your book. So now we continue with the lesson ahead. So today we are going to learn about reptiles. Now what are reptiles? Reptiles are animals with short legs or maybe they have no legs at all. So when you see the pictures of different reptiles, you will get an idea of what I'm talking. They have scales on their body. So like how fishes have scales on their body, even reptiles have got scales on their body. And these animals, because they have got short legs, they mostly crawl. Now let's see pictures of a few reptiles. Now we've got the crocodile here, we've got the lizard, we've got the chameleon, we've got the tortoise, we've got the snake, we've got the turtle, and different types of reptiles which are shown in this picture. So now as you see here, all these reptiles, as you see their legs, they've got very short legs. Near the snake, as I mentioned in the description there, uh, these are also animals which have no legs. So the snake comes in this category. The snake does not have legs, but yet the snake is a reptile. Now these animals have got scales on their body. So you see the tortoise and the turtle, they've got a nice blue shell on their body. The lizard, if you've seen maybe in the house or in someone else's house, they've got those scales on their body. So let's go to the other category of animals. Now, animals which are a nuisance to us. Nuisance to us means we don't require these animals, but yet they are there in and around us. And nuisance means they are not at all helpful to us. Like we know, yes, we keep a dog in the house and the dog, guards the house and we love the dog so much, but we cannot, as I explained to you, we cannot like the mosquitoes in our house or the house flies or the rats or the bed bugs or maybe the spiders because they create some of the other nuisance for us. So now these animals are, they enter our homes even if we don't want them. So we don't invite them that you come to our house, but then they come, like gate crashers. Like if you are invited for a party, you go with a nice, maybe a nice frock or a nice gown or a nice pant shirt. But these animals, they come as gate crashers, means they are not allowed to come in the house, but they come without permission. Now, few examples what I give you is of the mice and rats. Now, especially in the house of farmers, these animals are found there, and what do? They destroy the stored grain what is there. Now, bed bugs are there in a few people's house. I don't know how do they come or what, but then they usually are there on the mattresses or maybe on the bedspread. And what these bed bugs do is they suck the blood of human beings. Now, spiders you must have seen in the houses, they make cobwebs. So that is the nuisance what they create in the house by making cobwebs. Mosquitoes, flies, gnats. Now GNATS, gnats. It's not gnats, but it's gnats. And cockroaches are also a nuisance. Nuisance in the sense, mosquitoes, they spread diseases. Flies also, they sit anywhere around. Cockroaches are there when it's not clean or maybe through the pipeline. So these animals are a nuisance to us. But yet, even if they are troublesome animals, they too have an important place in nature. Means maybe they help in cleaning the environment, as I told you. In some way or the other, they are there, maybe as food for someone else, for some other animals, or in some way or the other, they are helpful to the environment. So, the scientists usually have kind of classified the animals into different categories according to the characteristics of animals. And let us see how they are doing this. Now, these are a few animals which are nuisance to us. So, maybe the housefly or the gnat, the rats and mice around. Now we come to a different category of animals which are useful to us. Now we know that God has blessed us with many, many, many different animals. And there we are, some of us are vegetarians, some of us are non-vegetarians. So some do use some of these animals as food. Some of these animals give us milk. Some animals help the farmers. Some animals are used to carry loads. So people also have started loving and keeping these animals with care. So let's read about a few animals which I'm going to tell you. Now we've got the dog. The dog is actually a very faithful animal. And what does the dog do? The dog guards our house. Now cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk. Now, as you know, as children, it is very important that you drink milk every day. Maybe you add something in it or you just have plain milk, but it is necessary for your bones, for the growth of your body. And we should be grateful to these animals like cows, buffaloes, and goats, which give us milk. Now, bullocks, they help the farmers with the farm work. Now, there are horses and donkeys which are used to carry loads. Maybe in the hilly regions, we've got the reindeer, we've got the yak, and we've also got elephants also carrying loads. Then people, as I told you, they love. Not all, but people love to keep animals. And when you keep animals, one important thing what you should remember. We have to look after the animals and take care of them when they are ill. So how your parents take care of you if you have a pet at home, it is your duty to take care of your pet with utmost care. Now these are a few animals which help us. So we've got the cow, we've got a sweet little dog here, and we've got the horse, rabbit, elephant, goat, pig, the sheep, the donkey, the camel. So each animal helps in another way. So here I will tell you about the sheep. How does the sheep help us? It gives us wool. The camel is called as the ship of the desert and it helps in the desert. It's a very, very or the most useful animal in the desert. We use horses maybe for the horse ride. So now let's learn a few spellings. I've not given you all the spellings, but a few spellings which you need to learn it and even write it down in your rucksack. So the first word, gill, Gills, gill. The second word, crawl, 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 a reptile. Then we've got amphibian. Then we've got cobweb, bulky, nuisance, scale, gnat, feathers. Okay, so the spelling here is Gnats. You say it as gnat. So hope you enjoy doing and learning the spellings well. And I'll see you on Saturday again, maybe with the question and answers for this lesson. So bye bye. Learn the spellings well